Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to see your story archive on Facebook. So first of all, just go ahead and open up the Facebook app. And as you can see, this is the interface of the app. In order to find story archive, just go ahead and click on your menu at the below right corner, and you're gonna see multiple options. Just go ahead right here on the settings here at the top right. Alright. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just scroll a little bit down, until you find the your activity log. Okay, just click right here the activity log, and you're gonna see right here public posts, public tags, and story activity. Just go ahead right here to story activity, and basically you'll be able to see right here this is your activity on your history. Click at the archive at the top left. Okay, you will see there is no items. Just go ahead and click the story archive at the top left, and finally you'll be able to see all of your stories that you just posted in that date, right? And you're gonna see the same exact date. That means that you posted this story on that day, and basically it will be saved to your archive. Okay, and if you want to see right here your save to archive, okay, and if you want to save all of your stories automatically to your archive, just go ahead and get right on it. And if you don't want to, you could just toggle this one off. Okay, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.